mid-1970 here. Right, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the thermostat on a car. Now most of them are like this, very easy to do, so don't be scared about it. You can do these within a matter of minutes. In order to get at the thermostat here, we have to take the top cover off, which is really easy because it's held on by 2 bolts and the cap. So we'll undo these bolts. Make sure that the bolts are really loose. Take the cap off and then lift it away. Then remember to put the cap back on. Okay, so I'm going to take this pipe off here, move that out of the way, we're going to need that later. And just for now I'm going to move that wiring harness out of the way. Okay, there are 3 bolts that hold the thermostat housing on, and this clip. In fact, I'll probably do that when I've unscrewed it. I think it might be easier to unscrew it first, turn it over to get at that clip, because somebody's put it back on in the wrong position. Three bolts. Now water is going to come out of this. Right, now the reason I've took this off first is to get at this clip, because it's underneath. Somebody's put it back together, clip in the wrong place, and I'll show you how I know in a minute. So they've made this job a lot harder for me to do. Get a screwdriver and just break the seal on the rubber. I know when I say it I'm going to end up doing it, but please don't stab yourself with a screwdriver doing this. The old thermostat off. And then the new thermostat on. Okay, test fit is good. So we put the clip back on. that should be on the centre of that white line. Well, I can sort that out in a minute. Alright. Got a rubber hose here. A rubber hose. A rubber O-ring. The rubber O-ring fits into a channel in there, and then it fits onto this face here, which you need to make sure it's clean. Well, unfortunately I had to finish filming yesterday due to technical problems with the camera. So, where are we today? This is fitted, the bolts are tightened up, the pipe's on, but you'll notice that the pipe is out of alignment, and I've set that at the moment because I actually want this little pipe here to be the highest point in the system, apart from the expansion tank. So when I top up over there, any air that's in this pipe now is going to come out through this hole, and it won't, and I can push that down and it will allow all the air to come out. Once that's water coming out of there, I can pop the pipe on that returns to the expansion tank, and we'll have no air in the system. Right, you can see water is coming out now. I've pushed the pipe down, and that's only water that's coming out of there. I'll pop that on there just for a second. Because I forgot to put the clip back on. Right, now what we do is we loosen this clip up on here. We rotate that pipe round, so stop it interfering with other pipes, like that. Clip that hose back in. we are good to go. And the water's level with the cold line, which is what we need. Put the cap back on. Pop the wire on, it's back where it went, although it won't clip in there in a minute because the clip's. And now the final part, putting the cover back on. And you might notice that I've given it a bit of a clean. There you have it. The engine's running. You'll have to excuse my voice. So I'm going to leave that on tick over now to warm up, get rid of any water that's sitting on the engine because the bit keeps dripping down on the exhaust and comes up as a puff of steam. But that's it, it's all done. So if you enjoy my videos, please remember to like and subscribe. There's several other videos out there that might be of interest to you. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you soon.